How to remove labels from Google Maps. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can remove labels from your Google Map. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type google.com/maps. Then press enter to browse it. Here, once you reach to this page, make sure you are logged into your Google account. At the bottom left corner of this interface, you will find layers option. Hover your cursor to this layers and some options will pop up next to it. Click on this more option and this window will appear at the left side. Here, scroll down and select satellite view. Once you do so, below you will see label options. Now to remove it, you just have to click on it and it will get removed. Now you can't see any labels on your map. If in case you want to add labels again, you can click on this labels option right here and then bring the labels back. So in this way you can remove labels from Google Map. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.